Hey guys, Brockovig back with another video. I know I haven't posted in a while, but I'm gonna start posting now. And me and my cousin are gonna make a Let's Play series. If you do not know what that is, it's basically we're gonna try to defeat the Ender Dragon. So basically, let's start. We're just name it Brock and Colton. Then we'll plan hard. Then and then everything we do coordinates, and then everything will be fine. All right, let's start. Let's start this world. We'll reload in. If you guys want to play with us, just leave your IG in the description, and make sure you guys like and subscribe. Okay, this is kind of weird where we are. Well, that's okay. Alright, let's go mine some trees. And he'll be joining, my cousin will be joining any second now. Just have to wait for him. Alright. I think that I'm gonna be building the house and my cousin will be mining. So it'll be fun. Alright, so I'll make some tools for us. Alright. I'll get you an axe so you can start mining right away. Whoops, I just used all my wood. So I guess I'll get some. Alrighty. So Colton, do you wanna I'll get on some stone tools, and do you wanna get some food? Alright. Okay. So I'm gonna go kinda like a simple design because that's all. Cause I'm not the best builder, but I'm an okay builder. So okay. So let me finish mining this tree, and I will start mining some cobblestone so we can get some better tools. Oh, gotta make my pickaxe. Do you wanna? Oh shoot! I don't know. I'm gonna make a wooden pickaxe, and I'm gonna get you I'm gonna get some tools for us, and then just start killing some animals. Oh no. We don't play with cheats on. Get it right, kid. I'll be trying to post videos like maybe once a week or twice a week. It won't be that often because obviously I actually have a life, and this kid over here that I'm playing with does not have a life, so yeah, doesn't even respond after. No life. Alright, I'm just getting these stone tools right now. Then, Colton, I'll be coming to you. You didn't kill these sheep over here. We'll get the house up today, and then we might end it there. Alright. Alright, I have enough for a bed right now. What about you? What food do you have? Alright, here, I got some stuff for you. Alright, there you go. Alright then, if you wanna give me like most of your wood so you can find a good place to we'll find like a good place to live. Alright, no. Okay, come with me. We'll go on a little adventure to find our house. Oh, this looks very nice right here. You just want to do it right here? Okay. Alright. You wanna mine those trees on the island over there, and I'll make the furnace so we can get some food cooking. Does that sound good? Alright, get that in there. Okay, now I'm gonna help you mine some trees. And then there'll be food in the furnace, so just grab it whenever you want to. Oh no. But yeah, we should probably get a farm started. Actually, I have 2 seeds. So if you wanna come with me, I can get 2. What'd you say? I don't have stone. I can make you a wooden hoe though. Yeah, then grab some food. I'm gonna make a quick chest right here. Then I'll make this bed. Alright, I'm gonna grab the shovel and landscape our house. I can only make a wooden one, that's fine. Oh, and then put whatever you want to put in the chest. Still there? Alright. I think I'm gonna go with a little, just a little house for now, and then once we get more into the series, we can make a huge one. How's that sound? Alright. You have a map? Nice. Alright. I'm just gonna finish landscaping this. And then do you have any, we can maybe place some, what am I saying? Some sugarcane down if you have some. Here, I have seeds for you. Oh, no, I put them in the chest. Yeah, I don't have any seeds. Oh, my shovel broke. I'm gonna put some of the wood in the chest. Okay. Alright, I'm just gonna finish mining up this landscaping, and then we're gonna get the outside of our house done, or tried to, and might end the episode off there. Alright, so I'm gonna do kind of a design I like to do. We'll just go with 3 high for now. Do you want to get some more wood? Alright, thanks. That's good. Yeah, it's not going to be a very big house. Well, like I said, then if you want to keep mining trees or go mining and try to find a cave or create a mine, you can. Alright. Alright, once I finish this out here of the house, Colton, just stay up here for a second. Alright, well, it may have seemed like a short episode today, but we did a lot, and just mining all these trees and getting all the food takes a lot. So I'll be ending the first episode off. I might be posting another video for like Thursday or Friday, somewhere around there. Alright, well, see you in the next video. Bye. Make sure you like and subscribe too.